Welcome back to Shib everyone. This is not what you're prepared for. Shiba Inu. Just 2 days remain. Shib news. The price of Shiba Inu finished 2022 on a negative note. The bulls are attempting to regain ground and give investors their money back as the new year begins. The price of Shiba Inu has not yet shown the bullish indicators required to support traders' addition of more SHIB tokens to their holdings. Because bulls were unable to trigger the expected end-of-year rally, the December auction ended with a 13.3% decline in market value from the opening price. In this video, we'll discuss. This is not what you're prepared for. Shiba Inu. Just 2 days remain. Shib news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. As of January 2nd, Shiba Inu is trading at 0.00000082. The bulls are attempting to change the narrative, but the shorter time frames are more bearish. The 21-day simple moving average, SMA, will shortly interact with the infamous meme coin after the 8-day exponential moving average, EMA, was successfully flipped into support. A rally into the middle of December's trading range, close to 0.000000900, may be triggered by a bullish hurdle of the 21-day SMA at 0.000000834. If the bulls were successful, the price of Shiba Inu would rise by 1%. Conversely, November's disrupted support zone continues to restrict SHIB. A sweep the lows event aimed at the 2022 low at 0.0000714 might be triggered by a breach of the December bottom at 0.0000078. If the bearish scenario materializes, the price of SHIB will drop by 13.3%. It is important to note that a 2020 unbroken liquidity zone is located below 0.000000632, 30% below the current trading range. As a result, it would be foolish to enter the market in search of a knife-catch chance in anticipation of a double bottom close to the annual lows. Since the crypto winter has engulfed the entire business and brought the momentum that began to build in 2021 to a halt, cryptocurrency investors will be delighted to start over in 2023, now that 2022 is all but over. Shiba Inu, a meme token with a market valuation of nearly $4.9 billion and a 75% decline in 2022, has not been spared. The culprit is FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, which recently went bankrupt and received a lot of negative publicity. Additionally, regulators are stepping in. The FTX collapse has caused uncertainty, which has had a negative impact on the rest of the business. Crypto bulls will contend that despite the challenging outlook, now is a good moment to purchase the drop and that the industry will see better times in the future. The Shiba Inu bears could have a detrimental impact on the token for a variety of reasons. For starters, Shiba Inu don't have a special use case. Shiba Inu just offers the peer-to-peer payment features that practically all cryptocurrencies have, but some tokens and networks can open particular sectors or perform particular tasks. This is partly due to the fact that Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, which is based on the Ethereum network, and has a set of characteristics such as being fungible, transferable, and having a set quantity of tokens. Although Shiba Inu has a fixed supply, investors do not benefit from a favorable supply and demand situation because there are only 1 quadrillion tokens. The impending release of the beta edition of Shibarium is one particular stimulus for Shiba Inu that does appear intriguing. Based on Shiba Inu's protocol, Shibarium is a Layer 2 scaling solution that gives Shiba Inu more of their own network. Using Shiba Inu may result in reduced transaction fees as a result. Since Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, any congestion on Ethereum causes congestion for Shiba Inu users and raises gas prices. According to reports, Shibarium will also have a burning mechanism that will assist cut down on the enormous amount of Shiba Inu by burning tokens with each transaction. In addition, Shiba Inu, the 16th largest cryptocurrency, would probably profit from a recovery in the crypto sector. The Federal Reserve must stop raising interest rates aggressively, which it has been doing this year, in order for it to occur. Few investments are riskier than cryptocurrencies, which are more difficult to evaluate than equities, and rate hikes make them less desirable. To overcome the exhaustion from the previous year, the Shiba Inu community appears to be full of vitality and excitement. The first 2 days of 2023 were comparable to the massive burn in 2022, even though the daily burn of this well-known meme coin has decreased somewhat since the collapse last year. Over the last 2 days, the SHIB army has taken out almost 250 million Shiba Inu coins, according to the cryptocurrency burn transfer tracker Shib. 19,098,648 meme coins were transferred to the Inferno wallet on January 1st. They arrived after 9 trades. As of January 2nd, they had taken 13 transactions to dead wallets and taken 159,008,895 SHIB out of circulation. A total of 157,158,803 meme coins were burned by an unidentified address, destroying the majority of the remaining SHIB in a single transfer. The entire SHIB burn rate has increased to 115.6% as a result of this most recent burn. Within months of its launch, Shibarium Network, at Shibarium, the official Twitter account for the Shibarium blockchain, has amassed thousands of followers. There are more than 33,900 followers on the Shibarium Network Twitter account. On November 7th, barely a month ago, there were roughly 24,200 followers. The Shibarium network will eventually develop into a social knowledge center for everything pertaining to the Shibarium Layer 2 network and protocol, according to the Shiba Inu team. There are clearly great hopes for Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, Shibarium, given the enormous following that was acquired on Twitter in less than a month. Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of Shiba Inu, tweeted about his earlier this week meeting with Unification, the builder of Shibarium. He wrote, "Aligning, onboarding, finalizing soon," and referenced to Shibarium. Very soon. Shiba-focused Twitter account SHIBBPP previously posted pictures of Discord conversations between SHIB creator Shib and Satoshi Kusama. In the screenshot, Kusama stated that he was putting a nice bow on it, which most people take to mean Shibarium. Documents will come first, followed by beta, Shib said. Although the official release date for Shibarium is not yet known, the beta testing stage seems to be approaching quickly. The cost of Bone shibaswap, which is up 8% in the last day at 0.87, is responding to the announcement of the impending Shibarium beta release. Bone would be used as prizes for validators and as gas for the Shibarium Layer 2. An influencer on Twitter with the handle at ShibBP claims that SHIB devs are nearing the end of the Shibarium releases. A member of the Shiba Inu community shared a Discord message that Trophius, one of the network's primary engineers, had posted outlining the following stages before to the eagerly anticipated debut of the Shibarium beta. Trophius implied in the Discord message that the developers only need to issue the Shibarium white paper before the beta launch. Furthermore, the developer stated in the shared letter that the website, document, and beta launch had been the initial stage. Additionally, in a subsequent Twitter post, the SHIB influencer shared another message from Satoshi Kusama, confirming Trophius' claim. According to Kusama's Discord message, engineers are combining the last components of the upgrade with organizational adjustments and document releases prior to the debut of the Shibarium project. It is important to remember that over a year ago, the Shiba Inu community was teased by the core developers about the Layer 2 protocol's launch. The project debut was originally slated for September by the SHIB team. However, the developers disclosed that there were technical issues that would force the launch to be delayed. The Shiba Inu community was incensed that the developers had not disclosed the precise launch date. According to industry analysts, SHIB's stock is vying for a spike as the launch of Shibarium approaches. According to experts, the launch would put the Canine crypto platform in a competitive position to take on other Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions, such as Polygon. The low costs and high throughput features of the Shibarium launch are two important advantages that will appeal to decentralized applications, dApps, initiatives, as was previously covered on Crypto News Flash. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If anything else needs to be adjusted, please let me know.